Exquisite workmanship material cartoon magnetic sticker is produced by fine mold with bright color. The front is synthetic paper material. The back is made of magnetic sticker. This creative magnetic sticker toy has no plasticizer and fluorescent brightener. Allow you to farewell to traditional refrigerator sticker. This PVC printed cartoon sticker can be pasted photos, cards, message notes, refrigerator, washing machine, microwave oven, desk lamp, black and white board, pen holder, file cabinet, etc.